We got another hack here, another Milwaukee hack. Big shout out to Matthew at Deal Team 6 Facebook group for posting this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing here and hitting the bell icon so we can pick up a review of videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So M18 fuel, 18 volt brushless, cordless, 4.5, 6-inch grinder with paddle switch, kits, and fuel angle grinder. So you got two angle grinders here. It depends on what you want to do. I'll show you guys what it is. So these are two angle grinders. I believe they are different angle grinders. That's what it says here. Yeah. You got two batteries, two 6 amp hour batteries, two angle grinders, a charger, and a case. So they are $448, and they do qualify for a free tool. So go down here to the free gift with purchase. You can choose from the cordless wet and dry vacuum, which comes down to around $90, around $90. So that's a really good deal on that one. Definitely jump on that one. This one's the oscillating tool, fuel. It's valued at $289. However, I don't know exactly what the price on that one is. I did punch in this angle grinder. This one's 4.5, 5-inch angle grinder. It is $249. Once you put it in, it drops down the two angle grinders for $287. So I'll show you guys that right now. You got the brushless cordless 1/4-inch impact driver, valued at $169. All right, so let's show you the cart first. So, all right, cart, 2 items. We got the angle grinders with paddle switch, 2 batteries. They might be the same angle grinders. It's hard to tell from here. So these are $287, which is a really good deal, guys. It's pretty much $100 a piece. $100 for the 2 batteries, $100 for each angle grinder. So total $300. Less than $300 for the whole, 3 items there. And then the charger is free basically. And then the angle grinder, the additional angle grinder, it's $160. Obviously, this one's the one you want to hack. You want to get rid of this one because it's $160. All right, so let's go back. Let's see if it let us choose another tool. All right, it will. So we already said that the vacuums are around $90. Let's punch in this oscillating tool to see what it does. All right, the oscillating tool drops down to $175 from $289. So stop at it all. It's actually pretty good, considering that it's one of the newest tools out there. And then the angle grinders drop down to $272. So even better, guys. Even better for these angle grinders. So definitely jump on this one, guys. Especially if you're a welder, if you do a lot of grinding. This one's a really good deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video.